Hey, this will be a video chart on HFBG. Remember doing this one a couple weeks ago, and the chart continues to improve and look very solid. In fact, it's knocking right on the door of the big breakout level at 0008. That's going to be a crucial level from a charting perspective. But like I said, we're right back up there. That's where it closed. I was looking at level 2s just before the close. There's a pretty solid wall up there at 0008, which would be expected. As you can see, it has been a resistance, but at the same time, there's also a very solid bid right now too. So it's not one of these things where there's 10 market makers at the ask at 0008, and then there's only 3 on the bid at 0007. It looked like an even split. Quite a few on the ask, but also quite a few on the bid. So it's definitely making progress from a level 2 perspective also. Video won't be too long because like I said, I did a couple weeks ago, and a few things have changed, but mainly the main reason for doing it is just how close it is to possibly going on a breakout, and with any sort of breakout, it could move very quickly. For those of you that didn't see my last video, what I talked about mainly was during this move back here, this was a great fun move, but from kind of a healthiness perspective, not as healthy as what the chart's been doing right now, where instead of just going up in 2 days straight, just basically straight up, it's been stair stepping now and gradually been making progress, which is much healthier because it allows higher bases to form, and it just is much smoother rather than kind of like a steroidal push here where it goes straight up. This is more kind of like a marathon runner who's slowly and gradually building up to what's hopefully a bigger move, and possibly that bigger move is coming. So that's just pretty much what I want to map out here is this 0008. You can see it's got a pretty big history on the chart. Get this changed to red for resistance. Looking back through the history, you can see that it bumped its head on it right here, and then here's a second time, third time, and then the past 2 days in a row, Friday and then today, Monday, it's hit its head at 0008. But with the break of that, things open up pretty significantly in terms of resistance levels. With a break of 0008, the next resistance really isn't up until 001, which is right here, but that's also going to be a psychological level anyways. And then after 001, things really start to thin out. You have another one up here, and then right up here around 0.0014. And that may not look like a ton, but from a percentage wise, each one of these moves is very nice percentagely. I don't know if that's a real word, but you get what I mean. So the percentages would start to add up very quickly on any sort of break above 0008 and then 0.001. And as I've said before, these 000 stocks, when they catch fire and start rolling, a lot of people like to hop in them because they can really get moving and moving fast. So in terms of organic momentum and stuff like that, usually these stocks don't have too much trouble with it. The other nice thing about today, and reason I wanted to do it, was besides just knocking right on the door of a potential breakout, you can see that volume's been increasing the past 3 days, and that's always a good thing to see. Today, volume's been the biggest it's had in probably about a whole month or so, and so that shows that interest is growing. It's showing that more eyeballs are on it. And if the stock can get another volume day like this, or maybe something like that, or even a volume day like that, I think 0008 would probably fall, and it would begin to set off quite a few radars. So keep an eye on it, and we'll see if this 0008 is going to fall anytime soon. And if it does, that would definitely be a breakout, and we'll see if this can grow some running legs. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety of something for everybody. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was HFBG. Thanks for listening.